You can see, guys, it's nothing but juices coming off. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm after right here. This is the result of a perfect spatchcock turkey. Men's best friend, guys. Hey, boys. So listen, guys, I got my boys with me because they smell that beautiful aroma that's coming off the chimney right now. That beautiful smoke blend, that fruit blend competition. And man, they are ready to eat and dive in with me. And I got a beautiful spatchcock turkey there. Get that smoke sauna right now in that beautiful Pitbull's Pro Series 850. But without further ado, guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. On today's episode, guys, I'm going to show you how to do a spatchcock turkey. And it's going to be so easy to do that you and your grandma can do for the holidays. And the holidays is upon us, guys. And guys, this is a beautiful bird that you can do quick and easy. And it's going to take no time to do. And I'm going to show you some benefits of why we're doing it this particular way. So, guys, take this journey with me because it's going to be so easy to do, guys. Hold on. As you can see, currently it's 53 degrees out here. Open lid. Wait for rolling smoke to come through. When you see rolling smoke, close lid. Crank temperatures, 280 degrees. Set temperature. And wait for temperature to come up to temp. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been at 280 for the last 15 minutes or so, and let's take a look at our beautiful spatchcock turkey. Look at that, guys. Ooh, baby. It's beautifully seasoned. As I let this sit for about a good half an hour for it to marinate. Oh, man, this looks amazing, guys. It is ready to eat right now, in my opinion, but I know. I have to cook it, guys. I have to cook it. I got to give it a good coating of smoke. It got a lot of flavor in it already, guys, from that Tony Chachar's injection. Oh, man. The Heath Fries blend, that competition blend, and that Kinder's, man, that smoky SPG. Oh, man. So as you can see, my chimney is giving off that beautiful smoke. And as you can see, oh, yeah. It's time to put that beautiful bird into the sauna right here. I'm going to place it right here in the middle, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, we got a beautiful bird inside our middle of our pit. And I'm just going to place it in this particular format or this particular direction for now. And the reason for that, because I'm going to rotate this bird every half an hour to an hour just so it can get an even coat of smoke and it could cook evenly on both sides, guys. So let's close the lid. I don't want to lose any more heat. And we'll let this baby rock and roll till it's done. Being good boys? Yeah, it's okay, Kobe. Okay, Kobe. All right. Got a lot of my boys, guys. So the holidays coming upon us, guys, and guess what? Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Christmas is right around the corner. Right after that, it's going to be New Year's. So, guys, in order for us to complete, and for my family at least, to fulfill that beautiful fall into winter holidays, that beautiful season when you got the beautiful leaves falling down, that beautiful, breeze that's going on in the wintertime and the fall to winter time, excuse me. And, what goes better with the holidays is that beautiful turkey. But instead of doing a traditional smoked turkey that could take, anywhere from 5 to 8 hours or plus, and then you still got to rest it, guys, we're doing it the spatchcock turkey way. So, guys, right in this beautiful Pro Series 850, I got this beautiful spatchcock turkey. Oh my goodness, I wish you was here to smell the aroma. And as you can see right here, guys, it's getting that beautiful sauna. Let me close the lid back up so I don't lose that heat and that smoke. And guys, the way we're doing it is going to be beneficial to you in 3 simple ways. 1, it's going to be flavorful for 1 and moist and tender. 2, it's going to be an even cook, so you don't have to worry about, the dark meat or riding the white meat. or the opposite way. Sometimes it could be the opposite way where it's not cooking even. And thirdly and not least, it's going to be impactful, which means is that it's going to get that even coat of smoke, but it's going to help cook it faster. And which that means is that you're going to have less time on this particular smoker, and you can have more time to spend with your family or cook other dishes that's going to go along with your perfect holiday dinner. So guys, let me show you what we did so far from start to this particular point that we got this beautiful spatchcock turkey in our smoker right here. So what we did, we took the turkey out of the package, we rinsed it up, we took all the innards out there, the gizzards, the neck, and whatever that was inside of it, we took it up, we rinsed off the inside and the outside because we want to get rid of any excess debris that might have been in that particular turkey, so no foreign objects is going to go into our bodies. Guys, you can do it any way you like. You don't have to clean it. You don't have to do anything. You can take it out of the package and go ahead and season it the way you like, guys. And then the same method is just going to be so simple. But what we did, guys, we took that turkey, we rinsed it off. I placed it on my cutting board with a sheet of aluminum foil just so I don't have to clean up the cutting board or have any contamination. So what we also did with that is took the kitchen shears and cut off the backbone and spatchcocked it, guys. Now, just to let you guys know, I am not a professional, and I'm saying it 3 times, butcher. So please do not ridicule me in the comment section because I'm not the best at it, okay? But at the end of the day, I got the job done, and this is the point of what I'm doing with the spatchcock chicken. And what we did, guys, is we fold the wings underneath, and then we pat it dry with some paper towels on both sides, and then we season it, guys, with some beautiful, and the secret sauce, the secret sauce for that beautiful conversation when somebody eats your turkey, it's going to be this Tony Chachar's beautiful injection, which is that roasted garlic herbs. Oh man, this right here, man, this speaks about me. So it's basically a beautiful injection that's going to give that powerful impact. So when you guys cut it up, guys, and serve that turkey, it's going to be the talk of the dinner table besides any other things that's going on in your table. And when people are going to eat it, they're, you know, from family to friends, they're going to wonder, how did you do that? How did you get that turkey so moist and juicy and flavorful? That's going to be your secret sauce, guys. Tony Chachar's. But before that, guys, we did spray with some little grill spray, and there's 2 reasons for that. So the grill spray basically does is that it's going to crisp up the skin while smoking, and 2 is acting like a binder. So with that binder, I'm using 2 different binders, guys. I'm using Kinder's, you know, that wood fire blend. This is a smoky, you know, SPG that's giving me another flavor, a level of flavor, excuse me, or another level of profile flavor to get that beautiful burst nice and seasoned. And then I'm using Heath Rowell's competition blend. Oh man, this is some amazing stuff too, guys, along with Kinder's. If you saw my other video, guys, I spoke highly of Kinder's, and is available at your local grocery store or supermarket, Walmart, wherever you get your rubs from. You know, by all means, you know, go at it, because this is an amazing blend itself. So guys, where we're smoking it at 280 degrees for, you know, a few hours, we're going to check it at every now and then. We're going to flip it. I'll also rotate the bird around just to get an even smoke and even distribution of heat, so that way it can cook evenly and get it done faster. Now, once we get to a particular point where I see the skin, it might be getting a little bit darker, then I'm going to put some aluminum foil on it, and I'm going to check it periodic. The best thing and the best tool to have, guys, is a thermometer. And you can use a digital thermometer to insert in this bird and watch the temperatures. But I like to come out every now and then and check it myself. I'm old school, guys. I just like to do the things the old school way. And just for me, it just, you know, gives me another point of exercise. But other than that, guys, this is going to be some amazing birds. So, because I can't wait to the end of the video, which is the best part of the video. It's when I get to taste test this beautiful Spatchcock turkey, guys. This, oh man, as you heard my boy Kobe, he said, "Let's go, daddy, let's go." So guys, let's finish the video up, because I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, we are running steadily at 280 degrees. It's been an hour exactly at this point. Let's take a look at our beautiful bird. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that, guys. Yes, sir. Take a look at that. Oh man, she's looking beautiful. All right, guys, let's take a quick gander and we'll see where she at. We're gonna probe it with our trusty thermometer, and let's see where she at. 105. Okay, that's dark meat. Let's take a look at the white meat. 93.4. All right, so she got a little ways to go. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna spritz it a little bit with just water. I don't have any chicken stock or chicken broth, but you can definitely spritz it with whatever you like. You can use apple juice or anything like that. I'm just gonna go with water, guys, just keep it simple. And this is gonna give us some moisture and attract more smoke. And I'm gonna rotate this bird around, guys. So once I rotate this bird around, it's gonna get another layer of smoke and even cooking. And I'll check back on it in another hour. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're running about 281. At this point, it's been another hour. Let's take a gander at our beautiful bird. And look at that. Look at that beautiful spatchcock turkey. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, man. Let's take a gander at our temperatures. And let's see where we at. So let's go for the dark meat as always first. Dark meat's probably going to be a little bit up there in temperature first, as we always do. Say 137. Let's go with the dark and with the white meat. And the white meat is about 139, 138. All right, guys. So we're not too far off, guys. I'm gonna rotate this again. I'm gonna spritz some more, you know, H2O, just plain old water, and we should be done within another hour. So, guys, we're looking for an internal temperature of 160 to 165. Even if I pull off at 160, you know, on both the white or dark meat, the residual heat's going to carry this bird over to the correct temperature of doneness. So I'll see you back in the next clip, guys. All right, guys, it's been 3 hours so far. 281, as you see on the screen. Let's take a gander and take a look at this beauty right here. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Take a look at that. Oh man, she's looking amazing, guys. So time to take a gander. Where we at? All right, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. This side is done. Oh yeah, this side is done. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip this over and let it rock and roll for maybe another 15 minutes, so this side can catch up with this side, and I'm gonna let that rest let this rest rather for about good half an hour to an hour, guys. So I'll see you back on the next clip. All right, guys, as I stated before, this is the best part of the video, and it's enough talking, time to get to eating. So we're going to take a neat, you know, as you can see, it's nice and moist. We're going to take a little slice off right here. Oh, man. Take a look at that, guys. Ooh, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. So, cheers, everybody. Wow. Definitely moist. Definitely flavorful with the Tony Chachar's that we have right here, guys. This is an amazing injection. This is the secret sauce that I talked to you about. The blends of Heath Rouse Competition Blend and Kinder's, that little wood fire blend, that SPG with a little smoky taste to it, is amazing. It's coming right through. As I stated before, it's a little snap with the skin because we did the grill spray on the skin and then act as a binder. Guys, this is so easy to do. It took literally about 4.5 hours just about to get this done. With a traditional turkey that you would cook automatically, would have been about a good 5-6 hours plus an hour wait time, or you know, or more, just to let it rest. So at this particular point, we're done with it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found value in this video, because we definitely had a good time doing this. Again, we hit a star that I was not projecting for, but once we got to that, past that star, we got to 160 and it was done. And man, this is the result. I mean, this is amazing bird. The flavor is just there. Oh my goodness, I gotta hurry up and finish the video because I'm ready to eat. So guys, until the next time, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you do your turkeys for the holidays, guys. And until the next time, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.